All right, where are you? I got some mounting. Okay. There's the motorized remote head unit. There we go. There we go. Three suction cup system. I'll tell you what, that would probably hold up a truck. It'd break your window before it ever come off. Love this thing. I'm gonna get set up here. Nice and high there. There we go. Everything nice and tight. Good to go there. I like to get things set up extra early. It's going pretty good. Getting connection. The remote. Got the GoPro out there. I'm trying to figure out what else I'm supposed to do before dark. You can hear that interstate going through here. I thought this was a game trail. I see a lot of deer coming out of this trail here. Just getting nosy. Take a look in here a little bit. Up that way, about 150 yards is railroad tracks, and then the interstate, and then a big facility that's basically forbidden. I don't want to say exactly what it is because it kind of gives up my sweet spot, but it's close to 25,000 acres, and I know damn well there's squatches coming out of there into this area. So I'm just taking a look around, see if I can find anything of interest. Ow, bitch. Big asshole there. There's the tracks. Railroad tracks, I mean. Every once in a while you probably see cars on the interstate. Like I said, on the other side of them is that big facility. I think there's an old horse trail right up in there. This area is just loaded with deer though. Overloaded, overpopulated, that's for sure. Nothing. Nope, game trail right here. That's about it. At least I'm getting a chance to look around a little bit before dark. Before I start running thermal. Well, I use it anyway during the day sometimes, but just see if there's anything around me. Whew. Up and in. This should be fun. That's a sheet of ice. Ain't too bad so far. I might go up and check out them pine tree area. I love pine trees. I'm always attracted to them. I think they're cool. It's just a thin strip of pine trees, but I know this mowed area up here is the Ohio PA pipeline. Yep. And there's just deer droppings everywhere. Too bad there wasn't any bigger droppings. Yeah. That's twice I heard that. It sounds like something's banging down by my Jeep. Or is that the sound of somebody on a horse? Man, the weird shit you hear. Because there are horse trails around here, but I didn't see any horse trailers in the parking lot. Oh, there is somebody walking down there. Yeah, okay, there's a couple. You can see them through the pines. They walk up and down this access road like every day. I see them here. Okay. I thought I heard something. Hello again. Hell, I had to get back to the vehicle and warm up a little bit. My hands were freezing. You know what's funny? Over the years, people would post stuff that they find in the woods, and a lot of them would say, this is a place where no person would ever go. And you start laughing, you're like, well, you're there, so a person would go there. And most of the time, they're not far from a road or the parking lot where they put their vehicles. So I don't fall for that crap. Hell, the best place to actually have a chance of seeing a Bigfoot, if the statistics are correct, is from the road. Sneak down here for a minute. It's the end of one of the coves from the main part of the reservoir. You never know what you might find sitting down in there.